definition. This is breaking news from NBC Action News at 6.
Fighting certain cancers is getting easier.
Radion therapy technology at the University of Kansas Hospital just took one giant step forward. It's giving patients and physicians reason to celebrate. New at 6, NBC Action News reporter Cynthia Newsom shares with us this new equipment.
Round and around it goes. One push of a button, it not only spins, side panels pivot in and out, and the table moves up and down, back and forth, tilting in every direction. This is the much-acclaimed Novalis TX, an integrated system of image-guided radiation surgery, a definite step up from the CyberKnife.
It's more power, more effectiveness, because large dose radiation treatment and you have a large killing of the tumor cells.
A brain tumor patient is positioned on the table. The patient's image during the entire procedure is monitored by technicians. If the patient's position is not in perfect sync with the treatment plan image, technicians simply push the button and the table automatically moves into precise position, down to the millimeter.
We can treat very small lesions, like 4-millimeter lesions, we can treat with this machine. Or you can treat a large tumor if you open the lid.
As the patient is treated, the Novalis TX is rotating, so precision-directed radiation beams are hitting the tumor from every side, minimizing damage to normal tissue.
This is much better because the image-guided therapy allowed us to target the cancer more specifically, and also to avoid the normal tissue to be damaged by radiation.
And because it's so precise, treatments take less time, and most patients require fewer treatments. Cynthia Newsom, NBC Action News.
Now, hold on to your wallets, though. The Novalis TX costs a whopping $4 million, but physicians and patients say it's worth every penny.